Hey everyone, welcome to Throne Rods Garage. My name is Justin and today we're working on this Salford, I think that's how you pronounce it, spreader. Now, unfortunately, I don't know if you guys can tell, pointing at it wrong way, right there. The bearing is no good. Poor little pillow block bearing decided to give out and it's just held in by tension for the chain. So I'm gonna see about getting this all removed, hopefully get that part of the bearing and that part of the bearing out so I don't have to replace the whole pillow block. Usually you can just slide the old bearings out through a groove. Now what I've done here is I just put a ratchet strap, to pull the chain up out of the way so I can get that pillow block out, and I'm going to clean it up and start pulling out the old bearing. Alright, got the old outside of the bearing off, and this I've cleaned it up, used a bucket full of gas, whatnot. Got everything cleaned up, all the grease grooves, got a new bearing here. I'm gonna get this one in place, but we still have to pull off the rest of the other bearing on the shaft up there. All right, next we have to get this cleaned up, get those two set screws, one up top, one on the side here, so we can get this inner part of the bearing off this shaft. There is a Tackwell focus phone. It's not going to, but it's right here on the bottom of the shaft that I'm gonna have to grind off with the grinder. I hope my audio is okay. It's very windy today, so the March winds are upon us. Okay, so I got the set screws out with no issue. That was pretty sweet and simple. But this inner part of the bearing is rusted onto the shaft. So I have a cutoff wheel on my grinder, and I'm just gonna, easily put a little slit on there so we can break it loose so I can get it cleaned up for the new bearing. Before grinding, always make sure you use your safety squints. Works every time. Safety third. Now with the cut in that inner bearing, you just put a nice flat chisel in there and it usually spreads it apart just enough where you can get it to come right off. Now, it might be easier to do this with both hands instead of one. So I'm gonna get this pulled off real quick and get that shaft cleaned up. All right, so it's all put into place now. I got the collar on, that set screw is set in place. Now all I gotta do is just adjust the chain to the same distance over there on that side. Sorry, I keep trying to focus on my hand. And then go through and grease everything. So, I think that's gonna be it. Sorry I haven't put a video out in quite a long time. I've been doing the little short videos. They've been a lot more fun. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Sorry this was a short video too, but there's soon more to come. It's nicer weather outside. Well, minus, it's gonna look like it's gonna rain. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the next project.